Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. July, we face the future with courage. To confess to Christ. July 1st. God gives us courage. Whosoever shall confess that Jesus is the Son of God, God dwelleth in him, and he in God. 1 John chapter 4, verse 15. The confession of which John here speaks is not the result of a nominal faith, but is the result of an abiding faith in the living Saviour. The result of believing that the blessings of salvation are brought into our reach through the suffering and death of Christ, who was raised from the dead and ever liveth to make intercession for us. We should feel assured that Jesus is our Saviour, and that life would not be enjoyable nor afford us peace or hope if he had not loved us and given his life for us. Our claims to Christ's righteousness is without flaw if we meet the conditions upon which it is promised. God has bestowed upon us all heaven in one rich gift, and whatever the gift includes is ours if we accept Christ as our personal Saviour. Speak of Jesus, educate the tongue to speak of his mercy, to tell of his power, showing forth the praise of him who has called us out of darkness into his marvellous light. Christian youth, you are a spectacle unto the world, to angels and to men. Be brave in God. Put on the whole armour of God, and let unbelievers about you see that your life is not spoiled because you stand loyal and true to all the commandments of God. You can be, and God requires you to be, a decided witness for him. We need to dwell on the words of courage that Christ spoke to his disciples towards the close of his earthly ministry. Though a cruel death was just before him, Christ's words to his followers were full of hope. He desired to bring all the comfort possible to their hearts. Let us be strong in him. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God,